This is a Multi-Librium paper installation, site-specific for Box 13 in Houston. It's made out of more than 10,000 art invitations that were on their way to the dumpster, but I picked them up before they went there, so I can use them for this installation. The concept of the installation is to have multiple equilibrium as seen in nature. The installation examines and illustrates the concept of equilibrium in which all biological systems coexist, survive, and function. Multi-Librium operates both on the exterior and the cellular level.